Hi guys, so I'm at the property and I just kind of wanted to um, show you some things that I intend on rectifying while I'm here. So as you can see and as you know, we have this downward slope towards the entrance of the two-bedroom. So I'd like to clean up here. This, I guess, is just the weather beaten. So I'm gonna get somebody to paint this. Okay. This here needs definitely to be rectified. I will get it grouted as well. The noise that you hear is exterminators. They're here. We're gonna grout here as well. Kind of leave it like this. Basically just to clean up this space, make it look cleaner than it is right now. So let me just take a look to see if there's anything that I want to do in here. So we're gonna clean up. I am anticipating maybe 2 to 3 days to have the girls in here. All the windowsills need to be cleaned properly. See, basically it's cleaning.
I've seen that.
So I'm going to get this taken care of. This grouting here needs to be done. I showed you pictures of under here already. So I'm going to bring the guy in for him to talk to me about what we can do about this. Definitely, and you have termites, lots of them. This is termites. Oh boy. I will have to speak to the guys. This needs to be replaced for sure. Yeah. We need to take that out or else you will not have a kitchen left. Yeah. So it's a lot of cleaning that needs to be done. Okay, so we will chat. Termites, I'm going to speak to the exterminator about them. We're going to speak to the carpenter about removing that. And the way forward, I want to get these clean. So I'm going to get Tristan to come back to clean this. And this mat definitely cannot stay or be handed over to someone like this. It needs to be, or rug, I said mat, rug. It needs to be clean. The chairs are clean. But yeah, it's just about some major cleaning. I don't know if Tristan, no, I don't think Tristan cleaned these, but as you can see, the dirt in the seats, that brown stuff that you see here, is dust and dirt that's trapped. All right, so yeah, so just a little bit of cleaning, some love. Give it some love. All right. We will chat soon. Oh, I put these out so that I can take a coming soon type of photo. So I'm not going to shoot with it's not looking good. Well, I'll do my thing. Okay. Just wanted to give you an update.